I still hear your footsteps in rooms that don't exist. I still reach for your shadow and close my empty fist. The photographs are fading like ghosts behind my eyes. Every promise that we built collapsed beneath the sky. The silence speaks in thunder. The memories cut deep. I traded all my waking hours for moments in my sleep. And every night I count the scars like stars that lost their light. I'm drowning in the ashes of yesterday, holding on to pieces that blew away. You left a hole inside my chest where every heartbeat comes to rest. And I'm screaming to a sky that never answers me, praying for a version of us I cannot see. The rain keeps washing out your name, but somehow I still feel the same. The mirror shows a stranger standing where I used to be, a broken man still searching for what he'll never see. The world keeps turning slowly like nothing ever changed, but everything inside me was buried in your grave. Tell me how to breathe again. Tell me how to let you go. I gave you everything. My heart, my soul, my reasons to believe. Now all that's left are empty rooms and memories that never leave. I'm still here, I'm still bleeding. Can't escape these scars I'm keeping. Every tear becomes a flood. Every dream is drowned in blood. I'm drowning in the ashes of yesterday, holding on to pieces that blew away. You left a hole inside my chest where every heartbeat comes to rest. And I'm screaming to a sky that never answers me, praying for a version of us I cannot see. The rain keeps washing out your name, but somehow I still feel the same. If heaven keeps the things we lose, then maybe someday I'll find you. But until then I'll walk alone through the ruins of our I'm drowning in the ashes of yesterday, holding on to pieces that blew away. You left a hole inside my chest, still beating, where every heartbeat comes to rest. The rain keeps falling, the years keep passing, but somewhere inside these broken bones